Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today's video is really fun. I'm super excited to be unboxing this. We are going to be unboxing some pieces from Tiny Hands Food Jewelry. So this is an online store where you can buy scented food jewelry. Sounds kind of silly, right? But it's actually super cute. So we're gonna unbox some of their pieces. They actually offer a necklace of the month club, so I will link that down below. The prices for the monthly subscription start at $19.99, and most of their jewelry pieces are pretty affordable. When I just looked online, they're like between $16 and $20. And we're also going to be having a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned for that. So when they first contacted me and I was looking at their website, it seemed so familiar, and then I remembered how I have heard of this company before, or at least seen one of their pieces. I'm a huge Parks and Rec fan. If you guys haven't watched that show, you have to go binge it. It is so good. But there's an episode, maybe even more than one, but I know there's at least one episode where Leslie Knope is wearing a waffle necklace because she loves waffles, and that is actually from Tiny Hands Food Jewelry. So I thought that was super cool. And I love Leslie Knope, and I feel like I'm gonna have to go binge that show later tonight. But yeah, anyways, let's get started and see what they sent me. I gave them an idea of some pieces that I like when I looked online, but I have no idea what they sent me. So we're gonna unbox it, look at these pieces, and then we will talk about the giveaway in this video. Before we get started, there are other giveaways going on in our channel. It's like giveaway channel right now. Those end on the 24th, so those will be linked down below if you haven't entered those. And yeah, let's get started. So they sent it to me in this pink mailer bag, so let me get this open. You guys, just opening the bag, I can smell like it smells like yummy food. Oh my gosh, so it looks like there might be 4 things here. Awesome. But yeah, they're definitely scented. This is so unique and fun. I cannot wait to see. Oh my god, and they're all packed like in a cute little gift box, so that's how they come when you order them online. Oh yeah, okay, so here are the first 2 I opened. So look how they're packaged, so cute. So that's like the back, and there's that. And they have the names of them on there, so I'll know what we're opening. And they bubble wrap them too, just to make sure they arrive safely, which I always appreciate. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So you can either wrap it with white or gold, but wouldn't that make such a good present? Oh, and this one, there's a little card here. Let's see what that says. So it says, Tiny Hands Food Jewelry, super cute scented food jewelry, perfect for the foodies and young at heart. And then it lists their website, which of course I'm gonna link down below. And I forgot to mention in the intro, they gave me a 20% off code. I believe it's just Kitty's Boxes. I will leave that down below as well, so you can shop their already affordable pieces and save 20%. And I think that's valid until the end of the year. So then it just has some contact information on here. I like when companies provide this with their products, because if there is like something you have a question about, maybe something came damaged or whatever, you can easily contact them, and they make themselves easily be contacted. Because I don't know about you, but I've had instances where I had a lot of issues trying to get a hold of customer service with a company, so it seems like they are giving all their info so they are readily available for you, which is awesome. So this is the card that came in there, their little business card, and you can kind of see some of the pieces there. So what should we start with? I'm not even gonna look at what names are written on there. I'm just gonna start with this one right here. Oh, and I can just see it. This is actually the waffle one that Leslie Knope has. Oh, me and Leslie Knope are gonna have the same necklace. I know she's just a character, but I love her. Oh my god, this is so cute. I think hers was round, if I remember correctly. This one is like a heart-shaped waffle. Oh my god, it like smells like syrup. This is so cute. Let's get this open and see. I can't remember like how long these all are or what. Oh my gosh, I love that it's a heart shaped. I think this was one of the ones I like said I would enjoy receiving. This is so cute. I can't believe it smells so good. Am I showing you the front or the back? Oops. Hopefully you can get a good picture of that. And it does have like the lobster clasp, so it would probably hit right around here. Let me I have their website open right in front of me, so I'll tell you the prices of each individual item. By the way, they have more things than necklaces too. They have like rings and bracelets and stuff like that. Earrings. Alright, so I found this one on there, and this one is $28, the Scented Heart Waffle necklace, and it comes with the 18-inch sterling silver ball chain. And they also have the option to get them unscented. I didn't know that till right now. And you actually save some money if you get it unscented. This is $23.80, but with the scent, it is $28. I mean, unless you're super sensitive to fragrances and stuff like that, like, I don't know why you wouldn't get a scent. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it smells like maple syrup. I was right. If you watch my other videos, I can never like guess fragrances right, but I guess food is my specialty. Let's move on to the next one. It looks like this is the chocolate covered strawberry one. Oh my god, this is too cute. This is what it looks like in the package. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate covered strawberry. How do they do it? So this again is like the same length chain. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love chocolate covered strawberries so much. I'm gonna be like that weirdo walking around town. Well, let's get real, I don't really do that. I don't really just roam town, but just lifting out their necklace and smelling it. Oh my god. So let's see what the price of this one is. So this one is the same. The Scented Chocolate Covered Strawberry necklace is $28 with scent or $23.80 without scent. You can also get a longer chain, like you can get a 24-inch chain and then it would just add $2, or you can get no necklace change and save $3. So maybe, I said chain I meant, because maybe you have like some chains at home or something, or I don't know, but you can save a little bit of money there. So they offer a lot of options, which I think is great. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, this one's fortune cookie. I saw this on there and I thought it looked so cute. So this is what it looks like. How do they make things smell like they actually do? It smells like a fortune cookie. Like, you know, they're not like super fragrantly scented, but you know, like if you get Chinese food and you get your fortune cookies, like it seriously smells like them. I think this one is just so cute. I'm hoping you guys can see well. Again, I'm gonna leave their link down below, and they have so many options. Like when I was browsing through it, like it was really hard for me to pick like my top favorites. So this one's a little bit more affordable. So with the scent, it is $23. Unscented, it's $19.50. And it says it smells like sugar cookies, which I guess is pretty accurate, but it like actually smells like a fortune cookie too. And now let's move on to the last one, and this is a cookie. I think this is like one of their best sellers. I think the waffle one that Leslie Knope has, which is just a little bit different than mine. It's like the round waffle. Mine has a heart shape, which I actually prefer. But I think these ones are, that and the cookie are like one of their most popular. Oh my god, it like seriously looks just like a cookie, like you could eat it. I smell like, it definitely smells like a cookie, but like getting more like of a chocolate scent. Oh my gosh. These are so great. So there's that up close. So this one is also more affordable, like the fortune cookie. This is $23 with scent, or without scent it is $19.50. And again, you can pay less if you don't want a chain, or pay a little bit more if you want it to be longer, like a 24-inch necklace. If you join the Necklace of the Month Club, they'll send you a different type of food or like scented necklace each month, and they actually show you. So it looks like the first month you get a cupcake, second month you get a cookie, the third month a donut, the fourth ice cream, and then the fifth month is like a breakfast item, and there's varieties. So I'm gonna link that down below so you can check that out too. And I just see on here there's a scented snow cone necklace. There's so many. You guys have to check out their website. There's even a bacon one if anyone's into that. I know some people are like obsessed with bacon. But anyways, I love these so much. I'm trying to think what my favorite is. I don't know, I think they're all so cute. I feel like I might like wear the fortune cookie or the waffle one the most, but I think I'll wear all of them. You'll see them in some upcoming videos, and I like the length of them because it hits like right, actually the shirt would be perfect. It would hit like right around here, you know? Again, you can get them longer. So those are the 4 that were sent to me. I think they are great. I think it's so unique too that they're scented and they're shaped like food. Like besides seeing Leslie Knope wear it, which I'm still like starstruck. I'm like, I have something Leslie Knope has. I think I never have seen anything like this. So yeah, let's talk about the giveaway now. So Tiny Hands Food Jewelry was so kind to offer to do a giveaway with me. So we are going to run a giveaway. This is only going to be open to US residents. So I'm gonna list all the rules down below. So it's gonna be like my typical rules, but first let me tell you what you're going to win. So you know how I said check out their website and browse everything? Well, the winner will get to choose any necklace they want that has a retail value of $28 or less, which pretty much seems to be all the necklaces that I've come across. Even like the ones that are scented, the most we saw today was $28. So you can get any of these, but you can browse their website. There are so many options. Like, I'm not even kidding you. You guys have to check it out. So the winner will get to choose a necklace of their choice, $28 value or less, and then you have to let us know, and Tiny Hands Jewelry will actually ship it directly to you. So the rules are like all my giveaways. You have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave a comment down below. This is really important because in 2 weeks when this ends, I am going to use a random comment picker. And then when I select that, or when that comment pops up, I'm going to go to your YouTube channel and make sure you followed all the rules, that you subscribed and liked. And if you didn't, then I'll pick another winner. And when a winner is selected, they will have 48 hours to get back to me. If I don't hear back, then I will select a new winner. So like I mentioned, this will be going on for 2 weeks, and kind of crazy, 2 weeks from now, the day I'm filming this or the day this is going up, is December 4th. So it'll end around like midnight, December 4th. I'll draw a winner on the 5th, and then once the winner gets in contact with me, I will get your information and provide that to Tiny Hands Jewelry, and they will ship it to you, so you will get it in time for the holidays. If you want for yourself, or if you want to get something to give someone, it's a perfect time of year for this giveaway. I think this is so fun. This was such a fun unboxing, and I absolutely love that there's a giveaway involved as well. I feel like I was talking pretty quick about the giveaway rules and everything like that. That's going to be listed down below along with their links, so you guys can browse the jewelry and see what you would pick if you want to win, or if you want to shop before the giveaway is even over. Definitely take advantage of that 20% off code. But anyways, thank you guys all so much for being here, and thank you so much to Tiny Hands Jewelry for collaborating with this giveaway with me and sending these beautiful pieces that smell oh so good. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!